Students, today we will do the fourth experiment of your CNT lab. So, first of all, we should know the aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is that to verify the Kirchhoff's voltage law, or you can say that to verify the KVL. Now, to verify this law with the apparatus required are, first one we use a network theorem trainer. Then second one, for the connection we need patch cords, and then third one we need a digital voltmeter. So in the Kirchhoff's voltage law we will verify the voltage, that's why we need a voltmeter, and this voltmeter is connected to the trainer kit by patch cords. Okay. So now we should know what is Kirchhoff's voltage law. So Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the sum in a closed circuit, the sum of the voltage sources, all the voltage sources, and the voltage drop through the resistor is equals to 0. This is the statement or definition of KVL. So now here is our circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram there is a single voltage source V, and there are three resistors. One is of 100 ohm, and second one is of 500 ohm, and third one is of 300 ohm. So these three are connected in series. So now we will see the okay. When we will give supply from the voltage source, current will start to flow. Suppose the current is I ampere, then it will flow through the 100 ohm resistor, and also in 500 resistor, and also in 300 ohm resistor. So according to the Ohm's law, we know that V is equals to I into R. This V is the voltage drop across the voltage drop across the resistor. So here current is flowing I ampere, and there is a resistor value 100 ohm. So the V1 is the voltage drop. So V1 will be 100 into I. This is the voltage drop in the 100 ohm resistor. So in likewise V2 will be, the resistor value is 500 ohm and current is flowing I ampere. So V2 equals to 500 into I. This is the voltage drop across the 500 ohm resistor. And then next one is 300 ohm. So V3 will be the resistor value 300 ohm into current flowing is I. So this is the voltage drop across the 300 ohm resistor. So in this experiment we will verify that according to the KVL, the law is saying the sum of voltage sources and the voltage drop is equal to 0. So if you will write the KVL equation, then it will be, suppose we will go in this direction. Okay, then it is from negative to positive, so it is called rise in potential. So rise in potential we will take it as positive, so it will take as V. Then for 100 ohm resistor, here we are going from positive to negative, so fall in potential, that's why V1 sign will be negative, minus V1. Then in case of V2, it is also going from positive to negative, that is fall in potential, it is also minus V2. And here V3, it is also falling potential, the sign will also be negative, that is minus V3 equals to 0. This equation is the KVL equation for this circuit. So now we will verify either by putting the values of V, V1, V2, V3, is it coming 0 or not, by using the trainer kit. So this is our network theorem trainer kit, and this is the voltmeter. We will see the value of V, V1, V2, V3 in this voltmeter. So we are giving the supply here. Here it is connected to the plus 5 volt supply. It is connected to the V, positive terminal of V, and ground is connected to the negative terminal of V. So now we will see actually the supply is of 5 volt or not. So we will connect the positive terminal to the positive of supply, then negative. So we will now give the supply. So it is coming 4.9 volt supply. Okay. So now it is the value of V. So we will see now V1. So here to show the value of V1, we should put the positive terminal and negative terminal across the V1 or resistor, 100 ohm resistor. So this is the negative one, this is the positive one. It will show the value of V1. Okay. It is coming around 0.5 volt. Okay. So here we got V equals to 4.9 volt. Now V1 is 0.5 volt. Okay. So to know the value of V2, now we will connect the voltmeter across the V2. Positive is connected here and negative is connected here. So it will show the value of V2. It is coming around 2.7 volt. Okay. So V2 is our 2.7 volt. Okay. So now we will see the value of V3. One is connected here and one is connected. This is the V3 or the voltage drop across the 300 ohm resistor. So the value is coming around 1.6 volt. Okay. So here see V3 equals to 1.6 volt. So by putting in the KVL equation, we write V minus V1 plus V2 plus V3 equals to 0. V is our 4.9 minus V1 is our 0.5, V2 is 2.7 and V3 is 1.6 equals to 0. Means 0.5 plus 2.7 plus 1.6 is coming 7, nearly equal to 4.9 minus 4.8. So it is nearly equals to 0. The error is coming around 0.1 is our error. So it is approximately equal to 0, and here it is the verify of Kirchhoff's voltage law. Thank you.